The Camel, Elephant and Rat Story. Once in a jungle, a camel, an elephant, and a rat were good friends. They loved to explore the forest together. One day, they came across a wide river. The camel and the elephant easily crossed it, but the rat, being tiny, got stuck on the other side, frightened by the rushing water. The elephant saw the rat struggling and used its long trunk to lift the rat gently onto its back. The camel and the elephant then carried the rat safely across the river. Once they reached the other side, the rat thanked his friends and learned that even small animals can have big friends who care for them. The friends continued their adventures, knowing that could always rely on each other, no matter their size. Moral of the story: true friends help each other regardless of their size or strength. So guys, if you like this video and want more like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.